Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, what we discussed in last lecture? Anybody? What we discussed in last lecture? Let me inform student.
Half range Fourier series.
Yes, we have started half range Fourier series. Before that, we discussed about the even odd functions, Fourier series for even odd functions. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the half range Fourier series. Okay, so half range Fourier series, as we discussed, the half range Fourier series is the same concept with the even odd function. Okay, it is related to that, but when we can say that this is half range when we have the interval c less than c less than x less than c plus 2l. In place of 2l, if we have c less than x less than c plus l, then we can say that problem is related to half range. Okay, for example, if the c is equal to 0, then our interval will be 0 to l, and we extend this idea 0 to l to minus l to l by using the even odd concept. Okay, so if you want to find the half range cosine series, then what is the change? We can extend 0 to l function into minus l to 0 in such a way that f of x is equal to f of minus x, and in same way, if you want to find the half range sine series, then you can extend the function f of x 0 to l to minus f of minus x in minus l less than x less than 0. This is the fundamental concepts to extend the function for cosine and sine series. Okay, what are the formulas for that? If you want to find the half range cosine series, then the formula for Fourier series is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by l for 0 to l. Okay, 0 to l, we concentrate on 0 to l because that is half range. Okay, then where a0 is equal to a0 is equal to 2 by l 0 to l f of x dx. Okay, and an is equal to 2 by l 0 to l f of x cos n pi x by l dx. If you concentrate on these two formulas, three formulas, then it is related to even. Okay, these are the formulas for even function also. Okay, so you can remember that thing. Then half range sine series. Okay, the Fourier half range sine series is, this is the sine. Okay, Fourier half range sine series of f of x in the interval 0 to l is defined as f of x is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by l. Okay, this is the main Fourier series for half range, where bn is equal to 2 by l 0 to l f of x into sine n pi x by l dx. Okay, and these both formulas are related to odd function. Okay, these both formulas are same in even and odd concept. Okay, for cosine you can use the concept of even, and for sine half range sine series you can use odd function concept. Okay, any confusion up to here, student? Any confusion up to here?
No, sir.
What about others? Let me inform quickly.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Then we go for first example. Okay. What is our first example? Find the half range cosine series. We want to find the cosine series of f of x is equal to e raised to x in 0 less than x less than pi. Okay. So you can see here we want to find the half range cosine series, okay, for function f of x is equal to e raised to x. Am I right? It is e raised to x, or okay, yes, e raised to x. Okay, e raised to x. And what is our interval? 0 less than x less than L. L or pi? Pi. Okay, so pi. This is the pi. Okay, so we want to find the half range cosine series for this. Okay, so how we can write down systematically? Okay, so the first step is write down the half range cosine series first. So we know that the half range, is it visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
Half range cosine series is, what is it? F of x is equal to, we know that in cosine we can use the concept of even. So which Fourier coefficient will be 0?
Bn equal to 0.
Bn is equal to 0. Okay, so we cannot talk about the Bn here. So an cos n pi x by L. Okay, this is the half range series, Fourier half range cosine series. Okay, and we say that it is 1, and L is equal to here pi. How we can find that? Compare with 0 less than x less than L directly. Okay, so here L is equal to pi. Okay, so this is our step number 1. Now step number 2 is find the A0. So where A0 is equal to, which formula we have used here? We use the formula for E1. So 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x dx. Okay, so 2 by L, that means 2 by pi, 0 to pi, my f of x is e raised to x and dx. Okay, so 2 by pi as it is. What is the integration of e raised to x? It is e raised to x upon 1, because the constant is 1, 0 to pi. If I substitute pi first, then it will be 2 by pi e raised to pi minus e raised to 0. So 2 by pi e raised to pi minus e raised to 0 means 1. Okay, so this is my A0. Any confusion in A0? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay, same way we can define an. Okay, so and करके लिखेंगे, and an is equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. Okay, this is my an. So L is equal to pi, so 2 by pi 0 to pi, f of x means e raised to x cos n pi x by pi dx. Here pi is in angle form, so we cancel it and we have 2 by pi 0 to pi e raised to x cos n x dx. Okay, any confusion now, student, up to here? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, then you know the formula for this. Okay, उसको पहले हम याद कर लेते हैं, then we go for this. Okay, तो इसकी formula क्या था? तो सबसे पहले we discuss about the formula. Okay, तो what is the formula for this? If you remember, then the formula for, यहाँ पे मैं नीचे ही लिख रहा हूँ. Okay, तो you can see here, integration a to b e raised to small ax cos small bx, small, okay, sorry, small, okay, small bx dx. ये कितने लोगों को याद है? रेज योर हैंड. How many students know the formula for this? Okay, good, good, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, many people know this. Okay, so the formula is for D2D student. Please look at here. E raised to ax. Okay, divide by a square plus b square. Then a small a cos bx plus b cos bx, and limit is outside a to b. Done. This is the formula. So if you can compare here, if you compare, then what we have? A is equal to, in our case,
1.
yes, if you compare e raised to x and e raised to x, then we have a is equal to 1, and what is b?
B is equals to N.
N. Okay, so simply here we substitute this formula by a is equal to 1 and b is equal to n. So here we have e raised to x upon 1 square plus n square. A means 1, cos bx means nx, plus b means n, sorry, sine, there is sine, okay, and sine nx, okay, this is nx, and bracket close, okay, and 0 to pi. Okay, if you replace, or sorry, if you simplify that, then we have like this. Okay, so हमको क्या मिलेगा? You can see here, equal to 2 by pi. उसको पहले सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं तो थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा हमारे लिए. e raised to x upon 1 plus n square, यहाँ पे cos nx with us plus n sin nx. Okay, so this is, and limit 0 to pi is there. Okay, so first replace pi, or first, okay, after completing this step, we already know that we have to check about the sine terms. Okay, so यहाँ पे sin n pi, so sin n pi will be 0 and sin 0 is also 0. So in both the limit, the sign will be 0, so you cannot talk about this term. So we have only, okay, so it is equal to 2 by pi e raised to x 1 plus n square cos nx, okay, and 0 to pi. Now for x, 1 upon 1 plus n square is constant, so I put it outside, so 1 plus n square. Now here e raised to pi cos n pi minus e raised to 0 cos 0. Okay, so we have 2 upon pi 1 plus n square and e raised to pi means e raised to pi. Okay, you can put as it is, no problem. And cos n pi means minus 1 raised to n minus e raised to 0 means 1, cos 0 means 1, that means here minus 1. Okay, so any confusion in a and student?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Pakka? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is our last step? Substitute. Okay, our last step is substitute. So we can change our color here. Okay, so substitute the values of a0 and an in equation 1. Okay, what is our equation 1? I already named it as 1. Okay, so in equation 1 we have, okay, f of x is my e raised to x is equal to a0. What is my a0? a0 is yes, 2 by pi e raised to pi minus 1. Okay, so 2 by pi e raised to pi minus 1 into 1 by 2 plus समेशन n इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी। ये 1 बाई 2 कहाँ से आया मल्टीप्लीकेशन में? क्योंकि हमारे पास जो फॉर्म है वो a0 बाई 2 के फॉर्म में है। तो a0 तो मेरा ये पूरा हो गया, अब 1 बाई 2 बाकी बचा, वो मैंने साइड में लिखा है। ओके, नाउ n इज इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी an, तो an तो हमारे पास है ही 2 अपॉन पाई 1 प्लस एन स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे e रेज टू पाई माइनस 1 रेज टू n माइनस 1, ओके, इनटू cos n pi x upon pi, so it is an x only, क्योंकि pi will be cancel out, and here we have 2 will be cancel out, so 2 will be cancel out here, so we have only e raised to pi minus 1 divided by pi plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 2, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में e रेज टू पाई माइनस 1 रेज टू n माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाय पाई 1 प्लस एन स्क्वायर इनटू कॉस एन एक्स। ओके, सो यहाँ पे लास्ट में हम लिखेंगे विच इज रिक्वायर्ड हाफ रेंज cosine series of given function. Okay, student, any confusion? How many students understand this? Please raise your hand. Good, very good. Daria, any question?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then we go for second example. Okay, try for this. Obtain half range sine series. Okay, चलो पहले साइन सीरीज का एक ले लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम ट्राई करेंगे। तो हाफ रेंज साइन सीरीज, ओके, फर्स्ट हमने डिस्कस किया कोसाइन के लिए, नाउ वी गो फॉर द साइन। तो obtained half range sine series to represent f of x is equal to lx minus x square in the range 0 to L. Okay, so we want to find the half range sine series, और फंक्शन क्या है हमारा? f of x is equal to lx minus x square, एंड इंटरवल है 0 लेस देन x, 1 minute, 0 less than x less than L. Am I right? Okay, this is our example, lx minus x square, and 0 to L is our range. Okay, so again here what is our step number 1?
Fourier series.
Yes, पहले हम साइन सीरीज का पहले यहाँ पे इक्वेशन लिखेंगे। तो वी नो दैट द हाफ रेंज, यहाँ पे ये नया वर्ड आ जाएगा सिर्फ, द हाफ रेंज फूरियर साइन सीरीज इज f of x इज इक्वल टू, ओके, अब साइन सीरीज बोला गया है, तो साइन सीरीज किसके साथ रिलेट होगा? इवन और ऑड? ऑड के साथ होगा। तो ऑड में हाउ मेनी फूरियर कोएफिशिएंट विल बी 0?
A0
and an.
Yes,
A0 and an will be 0. So our remaining formula is n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x upon L. Okay, and this is our equation 1. Clear? Okay, and साथ में क्या लिखेंगे? L के बारे में। ओके, तो यहाँ पे कैपिटल L हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? 0 to small l है ना, तो ये थोड़ा small l हो जाएगा. Clear? Okay. So this is our step number 1. Now what is our step number 2? We want to find
Find
Bn, only Bn. Okay, we want to find only Bn. So where Bn is equal to, और Bn के लिए कौन सी फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे? Which formula
0
will
to
be used? Yes, 2 by
f of
2 by capital L और की फॉर्मूला. ओके, 0 to L f of x.
x sin n pi x divided by l.
Yes, sin n pi x by L into dx. Okay, now replace L here first. So we have 2 by small l, 0 to small l. F of x is our Lx minus x square. Okay, and sin n pi x by small l into dx. Okay, now please look at here. Okay student, so now here we use UV rule. Okay, तो UV rule में हम U किसको लेंगे and V किसको लेंगे, कौन बताएगा? चलो, what is my U here and V here?
u lx लेंगे.
Yes, Lx minus x square. Okay, is my U. So automatically this is my V. Am I right? Okay. Done. Okay, now
Yes sir.
I am using here Leibniz rule. Okay, मुझे यहाँ पे Leibniz rule ही करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि UV rule is extension version of UV rule. So यहाँ पे Lx minus x square as it is, that means U as it is. Integration of sign will be minus cos n pi x by L divided by n pi by L. Okay, क्योंकि कांस्टेंट मेरा n pi by L है, माइनस प्लस माइनस ऐसे आएगा. Lx माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव Lx का L माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का माइनस 2x एज इट इज. अब cos का फिर से इंटीग्रेशन, सो माइनस साइन n pi x by L डिवाइड बाय n pi by L होल स्क्वायर. ओके, सेकंड टाइम आएगा इसलिए. नेक्स्ट प्लस L का डेरिवेटिव 0, माइनस 2x का माइनस 2. ओके, एंड अगेन साइन का इंटीग्रेशन, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस cos n pi x by L डिवाइड बाय n pi by L होल क्यूब. ओके, क्योंकि स्क्वायर था एक एक्स्ट्रा आया तो क्यूब हो गया. एंड यहाँ पे मेरा ये कंप्लीट दोनों ब्रैकेट. हाँ, ओके. और यहाँ पे जो लिमिट है वो थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है. लिमिट मेरा है स्मॉल 0 टू स्मॉल l. ओके, इज इट विजिबल?
yes sir, visible.
Okay, then we go for next step. Okay, so 2 by L as it is. Now after completing this step, what we check here? What we have to check here?
Sin 0 and sin
yes
pi.
yes, साइन वाली टर्म जितनी भी हैं उसके बारे में आपको सोचना है. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप L सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो ये होगा साइन n pi L by L. सो L कैंसिल होके ये हो जाएगा साइन n pi, एंड साइन n pi ऑलवेज 0 होता है. और साइन अब जैसे ही 0 रिप्लेस करेंगे तो साइन 0 हुआ वो भी 0 हो जाएगा. तो दोनों केस में दिस विल बी 0. ओके, नाउ वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट टर्म. ओके, तो व्हाट इज अवर नेक्स्ट? सो first write down systematically. So Lx minus x square as it is. यहाँ पे जो है वो माइनस में बाहर रख सकता हूँ लेकिन अभी नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि भूल जाएंगे नहीं तो फिर. n pi x by L रहेगा. ओके, सो ये मेरा ब्रैकेट है डिवाइड बाय n pi by L. ओके, माइनस 2 मैंने रख दिया cos n pi x by L डिवाइड बाय n pi by l cube. ओके, एंड मेरा है 0 to l. Clear? Okay. Now next step, 2 by l as it is. Now I am substituting l first. So here l into l, that means l square minus l square. Okay, and minus cos n pi divided by n pi by l पूरा. ओके, -2 cos n pi बचेगा यहाँ पे डिवाइड बाय n pi by l क्यूब बचेगा आफ्टर रिप्लेसिंग x by l. Now substitute 0 in place of x. Okay, so 0 minus 0, it will be 0 into minus cos 0 divided by n pi by l minus minus plus 2 cos 0 divided by n pi by l cube. Okay, so here my bracket is over. Now you can see here what we here, l square minus l square, this will be 0, so ये पूरा step 0 हो गया. Now this is also 0. Okay, now we have only 2 term, and from that 2 term the our original Bn is 2 by l minus 2 minus 1 raised to n, because cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, n pi by l cube plus 2 cos 0 is 1, and here n pi by l cube. Okay, now you can common whatever we have. So 2 by l, here you can see that if you common it and reciprocal of that, that means l cube upon n cube pi cube. Okay, and here 2 is also common, so 2 outside, and we have 1 minus minus 1 raised to n inner side. So l will be cancel out. Okay, so l will be cancel out here. So l cancel out, 1 l cancel out, and 2 into 2 4. So we have 4 into l square divided by n cube pi cube and 1 minus minus 1 raised to n. Okay, this is my Bn. Any confusion up to here? Student, any confusion?
No, sir.
No? Other student? Let me inform.
No, sir.
Okay, Suresh, thank you.
No, sir.
Then last step is our
No, sir.
good, thank you. Substitute the value here. There is no any value. Okay, value of Bn, sorry, small bn here. So Bn, value of Bn in equation 1, one can find okay, what we get, f of x मेरा क्या था, तो lx minus x square is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity. My Bn is 4l square divided by n cube pi cube, and here we have 1 minus minus 1 raised to n into sine n pi x upon small l. Okay, so this is my required Fourier series. So I am mentioning here which is required Fourier, sorry, half range, not Fourier, half range, full नहीं है ये, half range है. So we have to write here which is required half range Fourier sine series, okay, of given function. Any confusion, student? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. If you have doubt, then please raise your hand. Otherwise, put your hand down. Suresh, any doubt? Okay, good. Means no student raised any hand. So, next, third example. Obtain the half-range Fourier sine series for the function f of x is equal to x 2 minus x. Okay, so this example involves three different methods. Okay, number one, here you can see that the concept of discontinuity is there. Okay, second, the concept of arbitrary interval is there. Okay, and third one is half range. Okay, so you can observe that here there are three things together. Okay, discontinuity, arbitrary interval, and half range Fourier sine series. So there is no issue. Okay, we can go with our steps. Okay, so what is our steps for Fourier half range Fourier series sine series? चलो बताओ.
Fourier series first.
ओके, पहले स्टेट करेंगे. यस, तो पहले फूरियर सीरीज स्टेट करेंगे. तो व्हाट इज माय फूरियर सीरीज साइन हाफ रेंज फूरियर साइन सीरीज? सो द हाफ रेंज फूरियर साइन सीरीज इज एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा? समेशन n इक्वल टू 1 टू इंफिनिटी बी एन, यस, साइन n पाई x बाय l dx नहीं आएगा, सॉरी, यही गलती आप लोग भी करते हो एग्जाम में. ओके, एंड हियर इक्वेशन 1. ओके, दिस इज आवर इक्वेशन 1 एंड फाइंड आउट l. ओके, l इज इक्वल टू. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम पहले, चलो यहाँ पे मैं फंक्शन लिख देता हूँ तो बार बार आगे नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? तो मेरा एफ ऑफ एक्स है एक्स एंड 2 माइनस एक्स. ओके, इट इज एक्स एंड 2 माइनस एक्स. एक्स फॉर 0 लेस देन एक्स लेस देन 1 एंड 1 लेस देन एक्स लेस देन 2. Am I right? I have to verify 0 to 1, 1 to 2, x 2 minus x. Yes. Okay. So here how we can find L? चलो L की वैल्यू बताओ, कौन बताएगा? What is the value of L?
2.
2. Okay. Most of the students says 2. Okay. 1 कौन है? 1. Who say 1? Please inform me so I can. Okay, there you. So how you think that there is 1, L is equal to 1?
સર મેં C plus 2L પર લીધું હતું એટલે.
Yes, there is the big confusion. Okay, तो यही गलती एग्जाम में भी मत करना, क्योंकि we are discussing with half range. तो हाफ रेंज के लिए हमको क्या करना है? C less than x less than C plus L only. So here you can compare. So C is equal to 0 and C plus L is equal to 2. So L is equal to 2. Now it's okay there, yeah?
Yes sir.
Okay, तो ये 2 हाफ रेंज में थोड़ा ध्यान से डील करना है ना, नहीं तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट. अब व्हाट वी वांट टू फाइंड हियर? नेक्स्ट Bn. Okay, so where Bn is equal to, चलो कौन बोलेगा फॉर्मूला Bn का हाफ रेंज के लिए?
2 by pi means L. 2 by L.
यस, 2 बाय. पहले ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूला लिखना है, मत भूलना, नहीं तो हाफ मार्क्स कट हो जाएगा. 0 to L f of x into
Sin
yes
n pi x by L.
Yes, good. Okay, and dx मत भूलना, dx. Okay, now 2 by 2 because मेरा L जो है वो 2 है, so 0 to 2. अब यहाँ पे मैं f of x डायरेक्टली नहीं रख सकता, क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे पास डिसकंटिन्यूअस कॉन्सेप्ट है, मैंने बोला था आपको जब ये पढ़ाया था तब, एम आई राइट? सो f of x को f of x ही रहने दीजिए अभी फिलहाल, इनटू साइन यहाँ पे हो जाएगा n पाई x by 2 into dx. Now, okay, 2 here cancel out. Now, how many partitions for f of x?
2.
2.
2.
So we divide integration into 2 partition. First one is 0 to 1 and second one is 1 to 2. Okay, so for 0 to 1, what is my value of f of x?
X.
X. Okay, so x into sine n pi x by 2 dx. This is my first integration plus 1 to 2. What is my value of f of x for 1 to 2?
2 minus x.
Yes, 2 minus x, and here we have sine n pi x by 2 dx. Done? Okay, so now then we have equal to, now here again we use UV rule. So what is my u here? Anybody?
X.
X. Okay, so here x is as it is. The integration of sine will be minus cos n pi x by 2 divided by n pi by 2. Okay, clear? Minus the derivative of 1, sorry, derivative of x 1, and the integration of minus cos is minus sine n pi x by 2 divided by n square pi square by 4. Okay, because 2 square means 4. Now here we, next step will be 0, so sorry, next term will be 0, so we do up to this step only. Now plus second term में क्या होगा u मेरा? Anybody?
2 minus x.
2 minus x.
Yes, 2 minus x is my u, so 2 minus x as it is. Again, integration of sine will be minus cos n pi x by 2 divided by n pi by 2 minus the derivative of 2 minus x 0 minus 1, so 0 minus 1, and integration of minus cos, so it will be minus sine n pi x by 2 divided by n square pi square by 4, and limit will be 1 to 2. Okay, any confusion? Okay, now after completing this step, what we do?
Sine term.
Sine term. Okay, we have to check about the sine term. Okay, so the sine term, yes, this is sine term, so sine, okay, sine n pi by 2 मिलेगा फर्स्ट में, एंड सेकंड में साइन 0 मिलेगा. ओके, साइन 0 0 है, लेकिन साइन n pi by 2 we cannot say that it is 0, so we cannot cancel here. Done? Clear? Okay, in same way for second terms sin यहाँ पे हो जाएगा n pi 2 कैंसिल हो गया, एंड दूसरा स्टेप मिलेगा मुझे sin n pi by 2. ओके, अगेन हियर वी हैव sin n pi by 2, तो ये कैंसिल नहीं होगा. ओके, क्योंकि एक वैल्यू तो मेरा मिल रहा है, तो उसको कैंसिल मत कर देना. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? Yes or no? Okay, then next step. What is my next step? So here I substitute the value 1 first. So 1 as it is minus cos n pi by 2 divided by n pi by 2 minus minus plus sin n pi by 2 divided by n square pi square by 4. सेकंड लिमिट रख रहा हूं इसलिए माइनस, फर्स्ट मेरा 0 हो जाएगा. minus minus plus, plus minus minus, again sine 0 upon n square pi square by 4. Okay, तो फर्स्ट का कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ वी थिंक अबाउट द सेकंड. तो फर्स्ट हो जाएगा प्लस 2 माइनस 2 पूरा 0, माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, सो माइनस साइन n pi upon n square pi square by 4. Now I am substituting second limit, so minus माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा 2 माइनस 1, सो 1 हियर, और ये हो जाएगा cos n pi बाई 2 डिवाइड बाय n pi बाई 2. सेकंड में माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, एंड सेकंड लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूं उसका एक माइनस, दैट मीन्स प्लस साइन n pi बाई 2 डिवाइड बाय n square pi square by 4. Now it's complete. Okay, now here you can see that one by one हम चेक करते हैं, उसके बाद ही नेक्स्ट टर्म लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे देखो cos n pi by 2 क्या होगा, ऑलवेज 0. ओके, साइन n pi by 2 हम कुछ नहीं बोल सकते हैं, साइन 0 तो 0 हो जाएगा, साइन n pi तो 0 हो जाएगा, cos n pi by 2 अगेन 0 हो जाएगा, ये बचा. तो ये 2 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, दिस इज 1 टाइम. ओके, सेम है ना दोनों ही दोनों, and this is second time. Okay, so here we have only one term, one step, and it is equal to 2 sine n pi by 2, okay, divide by n square pi square by 4. now 2 into, अब उसको उल्टा करेंगे तो 4 upon n square pi square into sine n pi by 2. Clear? Now 2 into 2 8, so we have 8 upon n square pi square into sine n pi by 2. Okay, so this is my Bn. Any confusion in Bn, student?
No, sir.
What about others? Is there any question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Akka?
No, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what is my next step? Next step is substitute the value of Bn in equation 1. So we have f of x तो मेरा पूरा है, तो उसको f of x से लिखूंगा, क्योंकि डिसकंटिन्यूअस है इसलिए उसकी जगह पे हम यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं रखेंगे. तो f of x इज इक्वल टू summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn means 8 upon n square pi square sine n pi by 2. Okay, so which is required for half range Fourier sine series of given function. Okay, how many students understand this example? Please raise your hand. Good. Okay, Yasraj Singh, Jay and Parth. Any confusion? Student, any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then we go for next and last example. Okay. So the last example is find half range cosine series. Okay, find half range cosine series of f of x is equal to c minus x, and c will be 0, sorry, x will be 0 less than x less than c. ओके, तो ट्राई फॉर दिस. ओके, चलो यहाँ पे मैंने ये 3 एग्जांपल आपको डिस्कस किए. अब इसके लिए ट्राई करो. चलो, कोसाइन सीरीज हमको फाइंड करना है f ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू c माइनस एक्स के लिए. ओके, चलो ट्राई फॉर दिस c माइनस एक्स के लिए. ओके, 500, mute your audio. Good, thank you.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. चलो ट्राई करो जल्दी. मैं सीधा आपको ए एन ई फाइंड, A0 एंड ए एन ई फाइंड करवा देता हूं, तो बाद में आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर पाएंगे ना स्टूडेंट? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो यहाँ पे 1/L इंटीग्रेशन 0 to L, सॉरी 2/L, नॉट 1/L, 0 to L f of x dx. दिस इज माई फॉर्मूला. ओके, हियर L इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, कौन बताएगा?
C.
C. Okay, you can compare directly here. 0 less than x less than L के साथ डायरेक्ट कंपेयर करो, तो L इज इक्वल टू C. ओके, सो 0 to L, तो यहाँ पे 2/C, 0 to C, f of x है मेरा c माइनस एक्स dx. ओके, सो 2/C. अब c माइनस एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन होगा cx माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2, and limit is 0 to c. Okay, so here we have 2/C, c into c square minus c square by 2, and 0 पे तो दोनों ही दोनों 0 हो जाएंगे. ओके, तो 0, तो यहाँ पे 2/C, अब यहाँ पे 1 minus 1/2 into c square, so we have 2/C into 1 minus 1/2 means 1/2 c square. अब एक c कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, so what we have here, we have c only. ओके, सो A0 कितने लोगों को मिल गया? रेज योर हैंड. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट गॉट A0 इज इक्वल टू c? गुड, वेरी गुड. Okay, Harish, Soumya, where is your problem?
नहीं सर, कर रहा था, सॉरी.
Okay, no problem. Jay and 500.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, and 500. Doubt? Any doubt?
Good out, sir.
Okay, then next. Okay, now think about an. So what is our an? So an is equal to, पहले फॉर्मूला स्टेट करेंगे. So an is equal to 2/L integration 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. My L is c, so I am substituting here 2/C integration 0 to C, f of x is my c minus x, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट लिख सकता हूँ यहाँ पे मैं, क्योंकि दिया है एक ही, डिसकंटिन्यूअस नहीं है. सो n pi x by c and dx. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, here dx. Okay, now what we can take as a u?
C minus x.
Yes, here c minus x is my u, so c minus x as it is. Now integration of cos, it is sin n pi x by c divided by n pi by c. Okay, minus the derivative of c minus x, it will be 0 minus 1, so minus 1. the integration of sine again, so minus cos n pi x by c divided by n square pi square upon c square. Okay, next term will be plus 0 and 0 to c. After completing this step, what we check? What we have to check?
Sine term.
Yes, sine term. So here you can see that sine n pi c by c for first limit. So c will be cancelled out. Sine n pi, yes, it is 0. Good, it is 0. Now, and for 0, it is sine 0 and it is also 0. Okay, so in both the case, this sine will be 0. So we neglect them, that term. So here next we have 2 by c माइनस माइनस प्लस प्लस माइनस माइनस और यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा उल्टा लिख देता हूँ सी स्क्वायर अपॉन एन स्क्वायर पाई स्क्वायर लेकिन माइनस. ओके, कॉस एन पाई एक्स बाई सी एंड लिमिट है मेरा 0 to c. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट put constant outside, so cross minus c square upon n square pi square. Now substitute c, so cos n pi we have minus cos 0. Okay, so here c will be cancelled out, 1c, so minus 2c divided by n square pi square और यहाँ पे होगा माइनस 1 रेज टू n माइनस 1. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज इट इन दिस वे ऑल्सो, n स्क्वायर पाई स्क्वायर प्लस करना है तो 1 माइनस हो जाएगा. एनी कंफ्यूजन इन an?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now what is our last step? Substituting. So our Fourier series, yes, so Fourier series will be f of x is equal to c minus x is equal to a0. a0 कितना था हमारा? c. ओके, तो c by 2 summation n equal to 1 to infinity an. an means 2c upon n square pi square 1 minus minus 1 raised to n into cos n pi x upon c. Okay, so which is required half range cosine series of given function. Am I right? Okay, any confusion up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is our last example of this unit. Okay, then you can find in this pamphlet extra solve example. This is for only your reference. Okay, रेफरेंस के लिए ही, और आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है तो नीचे एग्जांपल्स भी ज़्यादा दिए हैं प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, बहुत सारे एग्जांपल हैं, तो यू कैन डू प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो फ्रॉम दैम. ओके, हाफ रेंज कोसाइन एंड साइन सीरीज, ये हमारा जो था वो आर्बिट्ररी इंटरवल है ना, ये पीरियोडिक फंक्शन है, ये सिंपल डिसकंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन है, ये फूरियर सीरीज, ओरिजिनल फूरियर सीरीज. ओके, देयर आर मैनी एग्जांपल्स फॉर यू. ओके, so you can see this PDF also, but more focus up to here. Okay, आपको यहाँ तक जितना भी पढ़ाया गया है वो सारा पहले फोकस करना है. Then if you have time, then go for the next more examples. Okay, extra solve examples and examples. Okay, लेकिन अगर टाइम नहीं है तो यहाँ तक तो करना ही है. Then any confusion in this unit? Student?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.